Welcome to Mrs. Rogers' Schoolhouse. Hello, I am Mary Lou Rogers. The name of this video is Mrs. Rogers Teaches Subtraction Her Way. Her way is, of course, my way. If I asked you, what does 15 take away 9? Would you say 6 instantly, or would you have to think about it? Or maybe you would even need to use your fingers to help you get the answer. If I asked you, what is 5 plus 1? Could you give me the answer to that problem faster? If I could show you that knowing the answer to 15 take away 9 is the same as knowing the answer to 5 plus 1, is that something you would want to learn how to do? Before I begin, I need to make sure you understand that any number, like 15, that has a 1 in the tens place means that you have one group of 10, or 10 ones, plus 5 more. 15 equals 10 plus 5. To subtract 9 from 15, you cannot take 9 away from 5, but you can take 9 away from 10, so do it. 10 minus 9 is 1. And there's one circle in 9 to remind you to add that 1 to the number on top. When you see 15 take away 9, think 5 plus 1. When you see 17 take away 9, think 7 plus 1. Are you really subtracting 9 when you add 1 to the number on top to get the answer? Yes, you subtracted 9 from the 10. Now that you learned how to subtract 9 by adding 1 to the number on top, say the answers to these problems before you hear me tell you the answer. Ready? Go. 5, 3, 7, 6, 8. To subtract 8 from 14, you cannot take 8 away from 4, but you can take 8 away from 10, so do it. 10 minus 8 is 2, and there are 2 circles in 8 to remind you to add 2 to the number on top. When you take away 8 from a 10, that leaves 2. 2 circles in 8 remind you what to do. The 2 that remained are the 2 that you add to the number on top that you already had. Now that you also learned my shortcut way to subtract 8, say the answers to these problems before you hear me tell you the answer. Ready? Go. 6, 4, 8, 7, 9. In part 1, you learned to subtract 9 and 8 from any number that has a 1 in the tens place by adding. In part 2, you will learn how this method works for all numbers. And in part 3, you will learn how to use this method to solve larger problems, such as these on the screen. To purchase this video, go to my website, www.mrsrogersschoolhouse.com. My original, non-animated presentation of this video received the Parents' Choice Recommended Award. Thank you. Bye.